guys, welcome to Sylvia Baroque with sylviabaroque.com. In this video I'm going to share with you two very good strategies with VWAP. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to my watch list at sylviabaroque.com/watchlist. I am sharing with you every week my top 3 stocks with fundamental and technical analysis. So let's start right away and see what is VWAP and how the price in this indicator is calculated with the VWAP. So VWAP gives the average price a security has traded throughout the day, and it means volume weighted average price. This is based on both volume and price. The calculation is very simple, and I have here the formula for you if you want to check it out. So VWAP is calculated by adding up the dollars traded for every transaction, price multiplied by the number of shares traded, and then dividing by the total shares trading. So I know for you that might be a little bit overwhelming, and I don't want to go into detail in that. That's why I'm going to go ahead and show you some examples how can you use two strategies which will help you for your intraday trading. For me, there are two basic strategies with the VWAP: counter trend strategy and trend strategy. The counter trend strategy is when the price is far away from the VWAP, right at previous support and resistance, which could be the previous day, and the entry should be with stop below the support and resistance, and target should be near the VWAP. I'm going to share with you some examples with you guys after that, so stay tuned. The trend trading strategy is where the price is near VWAP. We have already established trend. We try to find an entry near intraday support or resistance area, depending if we are longing or shorting the stock. So in this case, the entry should be with stop below or above the VWAP, depending or if you're short or long, and the target should be at the next resistance or support area as well, depending if you're shorting or longing. So here is our first example for the counter trend trading strategies with the VWAP. In this example, we have here our previous day session, and we have built some kind of support here. As soon as the market opens, we are waiting to see if the price is going to test this previous support level. If this happens, here is our strategy and our entry point. We enter around this support area here, and the stop goes just below the support area. In this case, the target should be around VWAP, and of course you can trail the stop and continue holding the stop even above the VWAP. The second strategy is the trend trading strategy, and here is an example how it works. We have already established trend, which is in this case an uptrend, so we are looking for a long setup. We are looking for the stock to start going up and pulling back into that some support area and into the VWAP. This could be here our entry, and we can put our stop right below the VWAP. Our exit should be at the next resistance point, which is the previous high, and here is where you can realize some of your profits and continue to hold your position, of course, using some trailing stop. In this first example, we are going to discuss BYND, which is a very good example for a counter trend trading strategy with the VWAP. In this case, like we discussed already in our presentation, the stock opened and starts to pull back around the support area. The support area was 133.83, and you can see that here. And your entry will be basically around this area as soon as you see some kind of a doji candles or some kind of reversal candles. You can enter here and put your stop right below the support area, and your target will be in this case around the VWAP, which would be exactly here. In case you want to scale out of this position, you can keep some of your shares still, and you can use trailing stops and continue to trail until the stock reverses and you're getting stopped out based on your trailing stop. So let's take a look now at another example for the trend trading strategy with the VWAP. In this example, I'm going to share with you the chart of BABA, and as you can see here, we saw a little bit of red, but the overall chart is still bullish and still a very good stock. Because the overall trend is in up direction, we can start looking for some intraday setups. Like we discussed in our presentation, we have here a straight up move, and then a consolidation and an intraday support area exactly at this VWAP area. This is a great example where you can start your position and put your stop just below VWAP and below this small intraday support area. You can start scaling out of your position around the next resistance area, which is here. And after that, you can of course keep some of your position and trail your stop based on those 5-minute candles. And after you're stopped out, you would be completely out of this position. If we take a look this second day, we have similar situation. The uptrend continues. We see an up move, small consolidation here around the VWAP area. Another possible scenario for opening long position around support area and VWAP and placing the stop below. In this case, you can as well trail your stop based on the 5-minute candles and close the position once you are stopped out. Another example for the trend trading strategy with VWAP is the chart of Apple. As we can see here, we made an up move and we pulled back right into this VWAP area and we started building here a doji candle or reversal candle. This would have been as well a perfect entry scenario where you can just start your position here, put your stop below the VWAP, and like I already discussed in my presentation, you can start scaling out of your position or closing your position around those resistance levels which would have been here. In this case, you could have opened even a second position after you saw that we are reclaiming the VWAP around those levels here, building another support area based off this level, and then you can do the same, enter your position around the support level and above VWAP, put your stop just right below, and you can continue to trail your stop and exit some of your position around the resistance area. If we take a look at the next day, we have here two examples how you can trade the counter trending strategies with VWAP and the trend trading strategies with VWAP. For example, right now we see here the support area. The stock went into this area and you could open a position around this support area here using those doji candles as an entry, and you can close your position around the VWAP and using VWAP as a target. Like I said, this is a counter trend trading strategy. If you want to go with the trend, you could have waited for this stock, because as soon as it went to VWAP, it started to reject here. We saw a red candle, and this would have been another entry in trend direction where you can just trade the stock in the trend down direction. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helped you a little bit more if you're day trading stocks using the VWAP. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Bye bye.